Imagine having Grok 4.1, Claude Opus 4.5, and Gemini 3.0 all working for you in one platform. That's exactly what just dropped with Cline 3.3 8.3. Today I'm going to show you how this update changes everything for building apps, coding projects, and automating your life. We're talking about the three most powerful AI models all in one place. Alright, let's dive in. So Cline just released version 3.3 8.3, and this isn't just another small update. They also added native tool calling for Besettin Kim K2. That means your AI agents can now trigger external tools, run code pipelines, and automate stuff beyond just generating text. Think about what this means. Before, you had to jump between different tools, your code editor, your AI chat, your API dashboards, different platforms for different models. It was a mess. Now, Cline becomes your one-stop shop, everything in one place, and you get to pick which AI brain handles which task. But wait, there's more. The update also brings expanded hooks functionality and UI improvements. That means more flexible integrations, better workflows, smoother experience. And when you combine all of this with the fact that these frontier models just got way better, you start to see why this matters so much. First, Grok 4.1. This thing has a massive context window. It pulls real-time data, and it's got strong emotional intelligence and creative writing abilities. When you need quick retrieval, engaging copy, or something that feels human, Grok crushes it. Plus, it reduced hallucinations compared to older versions. That's big. Then you got Claude Opus 4.5. This is your long horizon coding beast. It remembers context across huge projects. It's perfect for sustained coding sessions where you need the AI to remember what you did 3 hours ago. When you're building something complex with lots of moving parts, Claude keeps track of everything. It's like having a coding partner who never forgets. And finally, Gemini 3.0 Pro, top-tier reasoning, multimodal capabilities. This is your analytics and hard logic powerhouse. When you need to solve complex problems, plan out systems, or work through tough reasoning tasks, Gemini delivers. Is built for the heavy thinking. Trust me, if you're serious about using AI to grow, this is where you need to be. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Inside Cline, you can switch between these models based on what you're doing, or even better, you can create multi-model pipelines. Use Gemini for reasoning and planning. Use Claude for writing the code. Use Grok for creating the marketing copy, all in one workflow. Let me show you exactly how to use this. I'm going to give you 4 prompts you can copy and paste right now. These cover everything from daily life organization to building actual browser games. And I'll tell you which model to use for each one. Prompt number 1, daily life organizer. Here's what you type. You are a personal assistant. I want a daily plan for someone who works 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., exercises for 1 hour, cooks dinner, and wants 30 minutes of reading. Include breaks, reminders, and motivational notes. For this one, use Gemini 3.0 Pro. It's the best for structured planning and practical schedules. The reasoning power makes your daily plan actually useful instead of generic. And here's why this matters. Most people just wing their day. They wake up and react to whatever comes at them. But when you let Gemini plan your day, it thinks through the logic. It accounts for energy levels. It builds in buffer time. You get a schedule that actually works because it's built on reasoning, not guesswork. And when your day is organized, you get more done in less time. That's the power of using the right model for planning. Prompt number 2, quick landing page. Here's the prompt. You are a web designer. Create a simple landing page for a fictional app called Snack Finder that helps people find the best snacks nearby. Include a catchy headline with max 7 words, a short 2-sentence description, a 3-step how it works section, a minimal HTML plus CSS skeleton. For this, use Claude Opus 4.5. It's perfect for clean, structured code output. You'll get something you can actually use right away. Now think about this. Before, if you wanted to build a landing page, you either paid a developer hundreds of dollars or spent hours learning code yourself. With Claude and Cline, you get working code in seconds. And it's not messy code. It's clean, it's organized, it follows best practices. You can take that code, paste it into a file, and you've got a functional landing page. No joke, that's how good Claude is at coding tasks. This alone saves you so much time, and it's crazy. Prompt number 3, simple browser game. This one's fun. You are a game designer. Create a simple interactive browser game called Coin Catcher. A coin falls from the top of the screen randomly. The player moves the basket left and right using arrow keys to catch the coin. Display score for each caught coin. Game ends after 30 seconds and shows total score. Provide full HTML plus JS code with minimal CSS for a functional game. Again, use Claude Opus 4.5. It's the best for producing working playable code that actually runs. Here's what blows my mind about this. You can build an actual game in minutes, not a concept, not a mock-up, a real working game that people can play. And if you're a business owner, think about the possibilities. You could create interactive tools for your website, lead magnets, fun experiences that keep people engaged, all without hiring a developer. Claude handles the logic, the interactivity, the game mechanics, everything. This is the kind of stuff that used to take weeks. Now it takes minutes. Here's the reality. The people who win with AI aren't the ones using the most expensive model. They're the ones using the right model at the right time. It's like having a sports team. You don't put your quarterback on defense. You don't make your kicker throw passes. Each player has a role. Each model has a strength. And when you match them correctly, you get results that blow away what any single model could do alone. That's what Cline is enabling. Strategic AI usage, not just throwing prompts at whatever chat window is open. Now, let me tell you why this matters more than you think. We're at a point where AI models are getting specialized, Grok for creativity and real-time info, Claude for long coding sessions, Gemini for hardcore reasoning, and platforms like Cline are catching on.